Treasurer Josh Frydenberg remains optimistic about the economy in the face of a further interest rate cut expected tomorrow. Live now to political reporter Trudy McIntosh. Trudy, what are the chances we will see rates hit an historic low?
Well, Annalise, economists are overwhelmingly predicting that we will see rates fall to an historic low level tomorrow when the Reserve Bank Board meets in Sydney. They're expected to cut rates from 1% down to 0.75%. Now, we heard a hint from the Reserve Bank Governor last week that we will see these rates come down. He's concerned that unemployment still remains too high and that we haven't seen this uplift in inflation that he's looking for. Now, the Treasurer was asked whether the government needs to do more in terms of fiscal stimulus. Here was his response to that.
You've got the tax cuts, you've had the rate cuts, we've got $100 billion of infrastructure spending which will go out over the course of the decade. That's helping to create jobs right now as we speak. So there is a lot of things that are already being underway in the Australian economy, which will continue to see us grow.
And Trudy, the Treasurer has delivered a pretty blunt message to the superannuation industry.
He certainly has, Annalise. Josh Frydenberg fired up this morning in response to what we've seen from Industry Super Australia. Now, they have come out to suggest that Deborah Ralston, who's been appointed to the government's retirement review panel, that she's not fit to serve there because previously she lobbied the government in terms of making superannuation not compulsory, making it voluntary for low-income earners. The Treasurer has come to her defence this morning, saying that she has the perfect amount of expertise to be on this panel and that she will be a fit and proper member of that panel. Now, the Treasurer also had a pretty strong message for the superannuation sector more broadly in terms of what they should be doing to support this inquiry.
At any time ideas are raised that goes against their vested interests, they seem to complain very loudly about it. They should just make a submission like everyone else to this inquiry and stop lecturing the government as to who we should appoint on these panels.
I wouldn't expect there to be a very warm reaction to those comments from the Treasurer today, Annalise. Certainly seen in the past, the superannuation sector is not willing to go quietly when it comes to these issues. You can expect a pretty fierce response.